Hi, I'm Eric.
Hi, I'm Rosemary.
Hi, I'm Jason. And we're here down at 124th Street Farmers Market, checking out some of the vendors that can be in the Taste of Edmonton. So this is one of them, Tamiri Bites. She's here, and she'll probably have a few words to say what she's going to be doing.
We've got some samples. We've got some energy bites, pistachio, lemon, and chocolate coconut. We also do some cookies and brownies. Today we're sampling our chocolate and ginger snap cookies. We also have raw pad thais and raw vegan cheesecakes. Lots of flavors.
Do you know what's going to be at the Taste of Edmonton?
It's a secret.
Sounds good. Mystery.